Here's how to change your YouTube language on iPhone. First, open your YouTube app and go to your account. Tap the gear icon to open settings. Then select General Settings. Now, find app language. As you can see, YouTube asks you to add the language to your iOS settings first. Now go to your iPhone settings, search for language, and add the language you want to use. Once added, head back to the YouTube and repeat the steps. You'll now see your newly added language. Select it, and you're done. And that's all it takes. If this helped, hit like and subscribe for more easy tips like this.